The pursuit of wealth management. Hey there, have you ever felt like you're constantly struggling to manage your finances? You're not alone. Many people face this challenge every day, and it can have a significant impact on their lives. But here's the good news. Everyone has the potential to build wealth. Yes, you heard that right. And today I'm going to share with you some effective strategies that can help you unleash your wealth potential in 2024. In the ever-changing landscape of finance, the pursuit of wealth management has become a paramount endeavor for individuals and businesses alike. To unleash the full potential of wealth management, effective strategies are essential. This comprehensive guide delves into the intricate world of wealth management, offering insights into proven strategies that can optimize financial resources, mitigate risks, and secure long-term prosperity. From investment diversification to tax optimization and estate planning, this exploration will equip you with the knowledge and tools to navigate the complexities of wealth management. Whether you are an experienced investor or just beginning to build your financial portfolio, this guide will provide valuable principles and techniques to maximize your financial potential and achieve lasting success. Davies Wealth Management. Davies Wealth Management takes pride in their team's diverse expertise and collaborative approach. By bringing together professionals from various backgrounds, they create a dynamic environment that values diverse skills, knowledge, and perspectives. This diversity is leveraged to offer comprehensive financial planning services that cater to the unique needs of their clients. With nearly a century of market understanding, Davies Wealth Management is well-positioned to capitalize on time-tested strategies and stay informed about market trends. This allows them to provide tailored financial advice and investment solutions. The combination of diverse expertise and extensive market understanding ensures that clients receive exceptional service and performance, providing them with confidence in their financial future. Diverse expertise. Davies Wealth Management's team comprises individuals with diverse expertise, including financial planners, investment advisors, tax professionals, and estate planners. This varied skill set enables the firm to address various aspects of financial planning comprehensively, ensuring that every client's unique needs are met. The team's collaborative approach means that clients benefit from the collective knowledge and experience of the professionals, leading to well-rounded financial strategies tailored to individual circumstances. Inclusive environment. The firm's commitment to diversity extends beyond skills and knowledge to encompass a wide range of perspectives. By encouraging an inclusive and open-minded environment, Davies Wealth Management fosters creativity and innovation in their approach to financial planning. This approach allows the team to explore unconventional solutions and adapt quickly to changing market dynamics, providing clients with a competitive edge in their financial endeavors. Market understanding. In addition to leveraging the diverse expertise of their team, Davies Wealth Management capitalizes on their extensive market understanding, which has been honed over nearly a century. This deep-rooted knowledge allows the firm to anticipate market trends, identify potential opportunities, and mitigate risks effectively. By combining this historical perspective with a forward-looking approach, the team delivers well-informed advice that reflects an understanding of both long-standing market principles and emerging financial dynamics. Proactive stance. Furthermore, the firm's commitment to staying abreast of market trends and advancements in financial strategies ensures that clients receive proactive and adaptive guidance. Davies Wealth Management's professionals continuously monitor market developments and regulatory changes, incorporating relevant insights into their recommendations and investment solutions. This proactive stance not only provides clients with a sense of security, but also demonstrates the firm's dedication to delivering up-to-date and relevant financial advice. Holistic approach. Ultimately, the collaborative and diverse expertise approach adopted by Davies Wealth Management underscores their commitment to offering holistic and personalized financial planning services. By drawing on a wealth of knowledge, experience, and perspectives, the firm ensures that each client receives tailored solutions that align with their unique financial goals and aspirations. This comprehensive approach, coupled with a deep understanding of market dynamics, positions Davies Wealth Management as a dependable partner in securing their clients' financial well-being. Client-centric approach and unbiased recommendations. In the realm of financial management, one of the key differentiators that sets a firm apart is its client-centric approach and commitment to providing unbiased recommendations. At Davies Wealth Management, these principles form the cornerstone of our philosophy, driving every interaction and decision we make. Testimonials, highlighting professional expertise and personalized approach. Our clients are at the heart of everything we do. This is reflected in the testimonials we receive, which consistently emphasize our professional expertise and the personalized approach we take. By truly understanding the unique needs and goals of each client, we are able to tailor our recommendations and strategies to their individual circumstances. This level of personalized service not only fosters trust and confidence, but also results in tangible, meaningful outcomes for our clients. Commitment to unbiased recommendations and personalized service. Furthermore, our unwavering commitment to providing unbiased recommendations ensures that our clients receive advice that is solely in their best interest. This dedication to objectivity and integrity is non-negotiable and is embedded in every facet of our operations. By remaining independent and free from conflicts of interest, we can offer recommendations that are aligned with our clients' goals, free from any external influence. In addition to our client testimonials, we also engage in regular client surveys and feedback sessions to continually refine and improve our services. This ongoing dialogue allows us to adapt to our clients' evolving needs and preferences, ensuring that our recommendations and approach remain highly personalized and in line with their expectations. The role of technology in enhancing client centricity. Technology plays a pivotal role in supporting our client-centric approach. Through innovative digital platforms and tools, we strive to provide our clients with greater accessibility, transparency, and control over their financial portfolios. Our investment in advanced analytics and personalized financial planning software enables us to deliver tailored insights and recommendations, empowering our clients to make well-informed decisions with confidence. Community involvement and education. Beyond individual client relationships, we are committed to fostering financial literacy and awareness within the community. We regularly host educational seminars, webinars, and workshops to impart valuable knowledge and insights to individuals seeking to enhance their financial acumen. By engaging with the community in this manner, we aim to promote a broader culture of financial empowerment and understanding, aligning with our ethos of guiding and supporting individuals in achieving their financial aspirations. Our client-centric approach and unwavering commitment to unbiased recommendations and personalized service define the essence of Davies Wealth Management. These tenets guide us in our mission to empower our clients to achieve their financial aspirations and secure their futures with confidence. Adapting to market trends and technology. It is crucial for wealth management firms to stay current with industry trends and technological advancements. By embracing the latest market trends and leveraging cutting-edge technology, financial firms can enhance their services and provide clients with more efficient and effective solutions. This section will explore the importance of adapting to market trends and technology in the context of wealth management, highlighting the significance of offering independently tailored financial solutions that align with the evolving needs and preferences of clients. Staying current with industry trends and technological advancements. Staying abreast of industry trends is essential for wealth management firms to remain competitive and relevant. This involves continuously monitoring changes in regulations, investment strategies, and client preferences. Additionally, embracing technological advancements such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data analytics can significantly improve the firm's ability to analyze market trends, manage risks, and deliver personalized services to clients. It is also essential for firms to keep an eye on shifts in consumer behavior and preferences, as these can have a significant impact on the types of financial solutions that are in demand. Offering independently tailored financial solutions. Providing independently tailored financial solutions is a key differentiator for wealth management firms. By leveraging technology such as robo-advisors and algorithm-based portfolio management, firms can offer personalized investment strategies that align with each client's unique financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. However, it's important to note that while technology plays a crucial role in enhancing financial solutions, the human element remains equally important. Clients often seek personalized advice and guidance from experienced wealth managers, and integrating technology should complement, not replace, the personal touch and expertise that human advisors bring to the table. Strategic partnerships and collaborations. In addition to staying updated with market trends and technological advancements, wealth management firms can form strategic partnerships and collaborations with fintech companies and other industry players. These partnerships can facilitate access to innovative technologies, expand service offerings, and create new avenues for client engagement. Moreover, collaborating with technology firms allows wealth management companies to gain insights into emerging trends and adapt their strategies accordingly. Furthermore, by partnering with fintech companies, wealth management firms can harness the power of disruptive technologies to streamline operations, offer innovative products, and deliver a seamless client experience. Conclusion: adapting to market trends and technology is indispensable for the success of wealth management firms. By embracing innovation, staying updated with industry developments, and offering tailored solutions, firms can position themselves as trusted advisors capable of meeting the dynamic needs of their clients in an ever-changing financial landscape. It's essential for firms to strike a balance between leveraging technology and maintaining the personalized touch that clients value, as this combination is key to delivering comprehensive and effective financial solutions that stand the test of time. If you found these tips helpful and want more financial advice, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for regular updates. I'd love to hear your success stories too, so feel free to share them in the comments below. Together, let's unleash our wealth potential in 2024.